Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are doing something that every RV owner should do on occasion, and that is sanitizing your RV. However, we don't want to use this stuff. I've owned multiple RVs, I've always sanitized them, and normally we've used bleach. If you're gonna do that, you wanna use splashless bleach, none of that fancy stuff. But we're gonna try something different this year because I've always been a little weird about putting bleach in my freshwater system. I don't like the thought of having something that is technically poison going in the same lines that I am drinking water from. On top of that, bleach can be corrosive to any of the metal parts. Same with the PEX lines. It can degrade over time. Plus you have to dispose of it properly. The list goes on of why I felt uncomfortable with bleach. So this year, we're doing something different. We are going to be using BluTech Bleachfree. This is their line of RV freshwater system sanitizer. It's EPA approved, NSF certified. It is going to be much healthier and much safer solutions for sanitizing the RV. Now that's what I'm told. To be completely transparent, BluTech reached out to me, asked if I wanted to try their water softener, their filter, and the bleach free. However, I told them I don't want to do like a sponsored video where I have to say what they tell me to say. I said, you can send it to me, but I need to be completely honest and give my 100% honest review and feedback. So we're gonna leave links in the description below where you can find it. It is a partnership in that sense that if I like it, of course I'm gonna pass on that information to you and show you where you can get it, even provide a coupon code. So check out the description down below for anything BluTech related. Any orders you place of $250 or more also get free shipping. And right now, to celebrate America's 250, they've got a special edition filter. Looks like the American flag. Really cool. I do like that everything from BluTech is assembled here in the United States. So the first time we received our filter and softener, everything, we were camping at a Ohio State Park that we love called Bark Camp State Park. That's where we opened everything up, saw what they provide in the box, got everything ready to go, and we did our RV sanitization there. So it was a learning curve, a learning experience with getting all this stuff from BluTech, but overall very simple, very straightforward process. So to use bleach free, each one of these packets comes with 2 containers inside of 1/2 ounce. You want to put that into the last container of your BluTech filter system. Smells like soap. Better than smelling like bleach. Okay.
Oh, now how do you get that back on there?
Obviously you remove the filter and then just plug that into your water system like normal. So what I've found is if you open every faucet just until it's foamy, you can see how soapy it looks, and then shut off and do that through every faucet, that'll make sure everything's in the line. Then you go back and open every single faucet. Their instructions are a little questionable on this. They just say to open all the faucets and let it run. But I have found, do each faucet individually, get the solution in each line, or else if you open one line, by the time you get to the rest of them, the solution could be used up. So open each faucet one at a time, close them, and then once it's through every line, you see that foam coming out that you know it's sanitizing, go back and open every line and just let all of your water run until it runs clear.
You just let it go 15 minutes just to be safe?
I'm gonna run it the whole. Because of this, I recommend doing this somewhere where you have full hookup or at least access to a dump station so that you can empty and not overflow your gray tank, especially if you're using a smaller rig. The other thing is if you do not have the BluTech filter, you can buy bleach free just by itself to use for sanitizing your RV. If you have a whole house filter, you simply remove that filter, dump your packets in there, and run it through your system. It's the same concept. So it's pretty easy to use. You can even use a filter system that's not BluTech. But if you have nothing at all, they actually do have something. If you call them for customer service, they will provide you, or at least show you how, I'm sure they charge something for it, a canister that you can use just for this process. So if you have any questions about it, give them a call. They have really excellent customer service. The one thing about bleach free, it's not cheap. This one packet costs $20. This is all you need to sanitize all your interior lines using your city water inlet. However, if you want to sanitize your fresh water tank, you're going to need one of these for every 40 gallons that your tank can hold. So for us, we have a 150 gallon tank. We're going to need at least 3 of these things to even get close to that. Probably should use 4. So it can get kind of pricey. So I might use bleach just for sanitizing the tank, as long as I fill it and then dump it and go. At least it won't be in every single line, and we don't drink out of our freshwater tank anyway. I'm actually curious, do any of you drink the water from your freshwater holding tank? Leave it in the comments below. If you do, then I would recommend just spend the extra money, fill up your tank with the BluTech Bleachfree product. And it also doesn't have to sit in there as long as bleach does. It's the same concept though. You fill it up, flush it out, rinse it out really well, and you're good to go. So after having done the whole process of plugging this through our fresh water, I have 0 complaints about the Bleachfree. I love it. I don't have that lingering odor of the bleach, and I can honestly recommend this product, with the caveat of it is pricey. But like I said, use the coupon code down in the description below. But I do know you have to get a minimum purchase in order to get a discount using the coupon. So you either have to buy a whole lot of bleach free, or you can buy the filter set, which I love the filters. We have had the best tasting water since we've started RV. So definitely recommend their product. Go check out their website, do some research, look into it for yourself. Not much more you can say about sanitizing your RV, except do it. So hopefully this helped you. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, because we are going to do a future video specifically about their filters and the water softener. So that is something that interests you and you want to hear an honest opinion from me, make sure you subscribe. Follow us, keep an eye out, because we do not have a regular scheduled release program. We just release videos when I get around to making them. Not my full-time job. I don't make a lot of money doing this. So help us out, support the channel just by subscribing. Give it a like if you enjoyed this video. And with that, we will see you next time.